Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it is the part 4 and the final part of this Honda Pilot. In today's video, we're going to be assembling the interior completely together. And we do have the new dashboard, we do have the new airbag. All we got to do is pop it in there and then we should be able to install it inside the car. So let's go ahead and get started on the dash. Alright guys, so here is the new airbag. Let's go ahead and install it and get this dashboard back inside the car. And simple as that. It's clipped in on this side, and also this side is clipped in as well. So it's holding nice and perfect. And also guys, I do have to mention that from the old dashboard, I did put a lot of these bolts back in the spot. That way I don't lose them. So I'm gonna move them onto the new dashboard. That way they don't get lost on the way or whatever while I'm installing it. But let's go ahead and move them over and get the new dashboard inside the car. Alright guys, so as you guys seen, the dashboard is almost completely done, but before we go ahead and reassemble the center console, I do have to install the SRS module. So let's go ahead and install that, and then we can do the center console. This will be off camera because there is no good shots over there. It's very dark there and hard to get the camera over there. So let's go ahead and install this. The SRS module is installed and it's nice and secure. So now we can move on to installing the center console and start finishing up everything here. Alright guys, so the center console is finally complete. Now it's time to install the last piece of the puzzle, which is the driver airbag, and then I'm going to connect the battery, start the car. Hopefully the SRS light will turn off. So let's install the airbag. Airbag is installed, batteries connected. Now it's the moment of truth. There's the airbag light. Nope. And as we all know what that means, we got to hook up the scanner. Most likely I have to recalibrate the seat just like on every other Honda. So I'm going to go ahead and hook up the scanner right now and see what the problem is. Alrighty guys, the passenger seat is now recalibrated. Now let's go ahead and give this another shot. There's the airbag light. Perfect. Airbag light is off. That's good news. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and install these plastic pieces right here. There's a plastic piece that connects to the intake hose, connects right here, and then there's the shield that covers everything up. I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll get my detailing guys to clean it out. Alright, so now is the next day and the Pilot is now detailed. I'm actually taking it to my AC guy to get the AC recharged, and once the AC is recharged, I'm gonna stop somewhere and we'll walk around the outside and make sure everything looks good. Alrighty guys, I just left the AC shop. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull over somewhere and we'll walk around the car outside and inside. We'll see how this thing turned out. Alright guys, so we are here finally. Now let's go ahead and walk around this Pilot and see how the final detailing job turned out. First off, I want to apologize if by any chance any of you guys hear a train in the background. I am next to the railroad tracks and there was a train just passing by. But anyway, here is the Pilot. Here's the front end. This is what it looks like. It's completely done. I had my detailing guys clean it out, and this thing turned out just outstanding. Everything looks great. Everything's just super clean all around. As you guys can see, here's the back. Looks great. And I'm pretty sure you guys remembered that the front end was damaged on this thing, and it is repaired already. So pretty much this pilot is 100% complete right now. This is how it's looking. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Check it out, guys. Super clean interior. Very nice. 57,000 miles. Everything works on this thing. If any of you guys are interested, it does have a salvage title. I'll be asking around 18,000 for it. But you guys seen, it's rebuilt properly. Everything just looks amazing on it. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Nice clean engine bay. This looks perfect. Everything looks perfect. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If any of you guys are interested in this thing, be sure to email me or contact me on Instagram. But with all that being said, guys, that's going to be a wrap for this build. This thing turned out amazing. Everything just looks perfect on it. It looks like OEM. Pretty much everything is OEM on this thing. But guys, if you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like my videos, share them with your friends, follow me on Instagram at Rebuild with Nick. Also guys, don't forget to turn on your post notification button. That way you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.